Hey, how you doing? No, my name's not Ace. I'm the Lawnmower lady, and I like fixing small engines. Today's video is one in a series of short videos on basic maintenance procedures for a Briggs Stratton L-head series lawnmower, like this one right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a Briggs Stratton L-head engine. The oil cap is right here on this side, and I'm going to take it outside, turn it over on its side, and change the oil out. Follow along. One of the first things to do is to, you want to be sure to know how to check the oil level of your engine. And in this particular one, it's a cap that screws off. And, whoa, and as you can see, this oil is very, very dark and black. And you'll also notice, too, that it's a little overfilled because the actual fill level on this engine, I don't know if you can really see that or not, there's a couple of hash marks right there. The oil level should be in between that hash mark, and this one is kind of up on the high side. They recommend that you change your oil every year. I personally don't do that. Every other year is fine. But this one definitely is overfilled and could definitely use an oil change. Alright, so I've got this metal water heater drip tray thing here, so in case I spill any, it won't wind up all in the yard. And turn this thing over and empty it out. It's coming out pretty slow. I'll have to hold it there for a little while till it finishes dripping out. Dripping out pretty slowly, but I'll keep turning it over. Get as much as I can out of there. Looks like that's about it. So I left that outside to drain for about, 10 minutes or so. It was pretty slow. But a mechanic much wiser than me one time, and I took this to heart, said that the right amount of the wrong oil is better than the wrong amount of the right oil. Check your owner's manual, but typically these type of engines use 18 to 20 ounces of 30-weight oil somewhat, and I use an older container. I put a mark on there at 20 ounces, so I know exactly where it is. If you're kind of clumsy, you can use a funnel. This is kind of big enough where I shouldn't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to carefully pour this in, and then we'll check the oil level. Got to go slow sometimes. Don't want to overfill it too fast or spill it everywhere. Alright, that should be about 18 ounces. And whatever residual is inside the engine should be enough, but let's give it a check and see what it looks like. This particular one, you do need to screw the cap in. Hondas you don't, by the way. But most Briggs & Strattons you do. And it is just above, or right at the very top of the fill line. Let me show you again. It's kind of shiny, hard to see. And you see it's just there at the top of the fill line. So we're good to go. All right, so there you have it. That's how I change the oil on a Briggs & Stratton L-head engine. If you like the video, please push the like and subscribe button, and I can make more of these videos. Remember, check your owner's manual, get the right oil and the right amount of oil, and remember, I'm the Lawnmower lady, and as I like to say, mow happy. Thanks for watching.